This is how you can download Figma on your MacBook or HP laptops. All you have to do is go up here and type figma.com/downloads. And this is what I'll do if I've downloaded Figma before. But if you haven't downloaded Figma before, once you hit enter, it will take you to the screen. Now, if you haven't downloaded Figma before, all you need to do is just type Figma and press enter. And then the first link you see here, www.figma.com. Once I click on it, this is going to take me to my dashboards where I've had to design for months, right? But if I click on downloads, it's going to take me to the same screen. So that is two ways you can get this done, and it works seamlessly. Now, to download for whichever one you're using, all you need to do is click on this download the desktop app down here, and you can download for desktop app, for Mac OS, or for Windows, whichever one. Now, after doing this, you will need to do this as well. This would help bring all your fonts into Figma, and it's not as if you need all the fonts, because there are specific fonts that I have also suggested in this course that would help you as well uh, have cleaner designs and for legibility purposes. But yes, you need to download this because Figma is becoming multi-purpose, and so you can do several things inside of Figma. So there are certain fonts you may want to use for such designs, such as pitch decks and the rest of them. All right, so download the particular one for your OS, for your operating system, so Windows or Mac OS for Apple users. And also on your mobile phones, you need to download Figma as well. So download for it, whether you're using an Android or an iOS, download that on your phone. Just go to your App Store or your Play Store and just search for Figma and just download. All right, I have it also on my phone, and this is what it does. You will not be able to design with it. All you would use it for is to mirror your designs. I'm sure you must have seen people sharing their UI designs from their mobile phones. They used the mobile Figma app to do that. So all you need to do is sign in the same account that is on the web, and just click on the prototype on the mobile, and it will open up on your phone, and it's more responsive for mobile designs. So don't use your Figma mobile app to check out a website design. All right, that is not advisable. You can do that on your laptop, and it will definitely show on your phone, but do that on your laptop and only use it for mobile designs. You can also use it to drop comments on certain designs. That is a new feature that has been added, and I'm sure over time more features will be added. I'm predicting that one day you'll be able to design in it, but would such designs be really effective? I doubt. All right, it's not like brand design where you could use certain applications to just create certain things. In UI design, it is a well thought out process, so it's not going to be like the brand designs creating of posters, because you could just move things around. In UI design, you need things to be accurate. It has to be pixel perfect. All right, the calculations of grids, and that will be a limitation on mobile phones, but I'm predicting that would come up in more updates in the future. All right, and yes, this is what it is. And if you're currently studying in this course and you haven't gotten a laptop, there are ways you can do that over time. I'm going to share more advice on this at the end of this course. I would see you in the next lesson.